In this video, I will guide you on how to check login activity on Snapchat. First, launch open the Snapchat app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This should take you to settings. Now scroll down and find the option of two-factor authentication. Tap on continue if you haven't enabled yet. Follow the on-screen prompts and enable two-factor authentication. Now tap on the forget devices option. Here you will see a list of devices that have been used to log into Snapchat account. Review the list carefully. If you notice a device that you don't recognize or no longer use, tap on this X option. Now confirm the removal. That device will be signed out and will need to verify your account before it can log in again. In this way, you can easily check the login activity on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.